Hey, what's up Chemical Guys family, and welcome to a brand new video. So we've been covering a lot about polishing this week. We started off Monday strong with helping you guys with the step-by-step guide on which polisher is going to be perfect for your ride. And then we went off on Wednesday to show you guys and explain to you guys the difference between all the compounds and polishes that we offer. And now we want to kind of take a step back and just kind of go over some of the different areas of your vehicle that you can actually polish besides your paint work. So today we're going to be covering everything that you guys need to know about really maximizing your use with your torque polisher and your favorite Chemical Guys compounds and polishes. Alright guys, so as you guys saw, we've done a bunch of polishing when it comes to paint work because obviously that's probably like the biggest focus when it comes to polishing, because obviously you want to get rid of those scratches, those swirl marks, the oxidation built up on your ride, and just, you know, the water spots too. I always forget about that one, but you know, polishing your paint not only obviously makes it nice and shiny, but it also reveals a nice fresh layer that you want to preserve. So polishing paint, that's basically what we've been covering all week. I can't even tell you guys how many cars we've polished this week, just because we've done so many different cars for all this footage that we wanted to get for you guys. That way you guys have the best visual and something that you guys can relate to when it comes to us explaining all these different products and polishers to you guys. So obviously paint, big factor, but did you guys also know that you can use your torque polishers for polishing headlights? We have both dual action and rotary polishers which you can use to restore the oxidation on your headlights. So if you guys have an older vehicle or even a newer vehicle that has a light little layer of oxidized plastic on the lens, or maybe you have a very old vehicle that the headlight, you can't even see the light through because it's so built up of gunky yellow, then you can actually use your machine polisher to restore that kind of stuff. So you can use a product like our Headlight Restorer. Headlight Restorer is a great product to go with for removing the yellowing oxidation from your headlights, and you can also use it not only on your headlights but taillights as well. So that's going to work out great because it cuts through that layer of oxidation, restores the full clarity and shine, making it a lot safer to drive in nighttime driving conditions. And last but not least, it contains a built-in UV sealant that protects your headlights. That way obviously they don't get yellow again. So you can use this product as much as you like, as often as you like, to ensure that your headlights look as good as new at all times. And if you guys didn't know, right now we're actually in the Chemical Guys flagship Shine store. So if you guys haven't heard about this, this is our new HQ store. We are located at 3501 Sepulveda Boulevard in the beautiful city of Torrance. This is the new Chemical Guys Shine flagship store. So we have everything and anything that you need to clean, shine, polish, protect your ride. All right, so back to the video. We just finished talking about the store. Now we're going to talk about some other areas of your vehicle that you can polish. So we did paint, we did headlights, but did you also know that you can polish out those smooth, glossy exterior plastics on your vehicle? If you guys have those newer vehicles with the glossy B-pillar or the glossy pillar plastics that are all throughout your vehicle, so you can polish out those smooth, glossy plastics, those piano black plastics, which, as you guys know, they get scratched up very easily, and without proper care or without a proper wash technique, they can really get neglected, and even some of the newer vehicles can get super jacked up and scratched up. So you can actually use polishes like our P4 polish or even compounds if you actually have to resort to that aggressiveness to remove those scratches and swirls on the B-pillars to restore that full luster and clarity. So you can polish out those smooth glossy plastics very quickly and very easily using the right products. Now moving on from smooth glossy products, now we're going to move into glass. Now glass, we don't necessarily show it too much on this channel just because glass is just one of those things that's very difficult to remove scratches from. But a great thing about glass is that you can actually polish it with a very fine polish, like something like our V38, which is a final grade polish. This is great for just giving your glass a quick little touch up. So if you guys are experiencing things like water spots, you can use our heavy duty water spot remover gel. But if you prefer doing something more quicker, faster, easier on the wrist, you can use something like our V38 polish with the white pad, just kind of cut through fine oxidation, any kind of embedded contaminants, or even water spots that are sitting on your glass for achieving that super crystal clear clarity. So if you have any kind of films on your glass, polishing it with a fine polish like V38 and a white polishing pad, I'll show you guys which one that one is right here. That's this pad right here. You can easily use this combination of polish and pad to just really give your glass a nice little touch-up of shine and get it in preparation for any kind of glass coating like our HydroView ceramic glass coating, or even an actual ceramic coating like Hydro Slick or Carbon Force. Another thing that you guys can actually polish is your wheels. Now here on this channel, I actually just did a video a couple months ago, about 2 months ago. We did a video on actually my truck when it came to polishing wheels. So we used our orange Hexalogic hand pad, which is this guy right here. we use our orange Hexalogic hand pad paired with a polish. I can't remember for the life of me which one we used, but I know we ended up doing a compound and a polish. So you can use a combination of different compounds and polishes to remove scratches and swirl marks from your wheels as well. So if you're experiencing, especially if you have black glossy wheels like myself, or even painted wheels that you can actually see all the scratches and swirls on them, then you can use a great combination of our chemicalguys Hexalogic hand pad, whether it be the cutting pad or the polishing pad. I'll show you guys that one right here as well. We have two different versions, and these also mimic the exact same material that we use for the machine polisher, only, as you guys can see, in a nice little handheld form. So they're extremely easy to grab, making it quick and easy for you to get into any kind of hard to reach areas that your machine polisher can reach into. All right, guys, and that's gonna go ahead and wrap it up for this video. Like I said, we just wanted to share some of our just quick tips, tricks, techniques, and really just helping you guys achieve the maximum use with your torque polisher, because you know, a torque polisher is a great investment, especially when you have it. Make sure that you utilize it to its full potential by not only polishing your paint, but your glass, your headlights, your tail lights, your glossy B-peelers, and even your wheels if you have that capability. And that's gonna go ahead and wrap it up for this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give us a huge like, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and if you guys wanna pick up any of the products that we mentioned in today's video, you can pick them up on our website, chemicalguys.com, or you can come visit us right here at the Chemical Guys flagship Shine store. And just once again, we're located right here at 3501 Sepulveda Boulevard in Torrance, California. So make sure to come visit us for your detailer's paradise and your one-stop shop for everything that you need to clean, shine, protect, and maintain your ride. My name is Joey. This is Chemical Guys. We'll see you guys next time.